Wigs can be very intimidating when culturally it's not something that you are used to. So I am here to help because I am a wig connoisseur. I am a wig professor. I love them.
Hold on, I gotta hit the beat. You know, never gonna miss the beat. Hold on, I gotta hit the beat. You know, never gonna miss the beat. Cheating all night.
Today we're gonna go through how to lay down the lace on your wigs, how to melt that lace and make your wigs look flawless, baby. Now there are a lot of incredibly hardcore and very amazing wig tutorials on YouTube. This is just one way to do it, and it's a stupidly easy way because I find a lot of the tutorials on YouTube are very advanced and very challenging to execute, even for me. So let's learn an easier way, okay? Let's do it. The first thing that I like to do is braid my hair and attach it at the back with bobby pins to make sure that it is as flat as possible. I don't even bother with a wig cap. I find them hot and uncomfortable, and I don't like how you can see them through the lace. I always wear a wig with a shadow root so that my black hair blends into it and it's a non-issue. If you want to wear a wig cap, that is up to you, but I am not for the wig cap life. The wig that I'm demoing on is by my favorite wig company ever, and this is not sponsored. I wish it was, but it is not. The company is called My Parfait Wigs. They are a new wig company that is taking the wig world by storm. They use artificial intelligence to create custom wigs that fit your exact head size and lace that matches your skin tone. It's really, really, really cool. The lace also comes pre-cut, which is amazing if you're not experienced with wigs, because honestly cutting your lace is a bit intimidating after you spend a lot of money on a wig. If you are not a regular wig wearer, it can just feel like, whoa, I don't know how to do this, and it's very overwhelming after you spend a lot of money. The first thing that I do is I flip my head upside down, put the wig on, and make sure that the lace is even from ear to ear. Once I have the positioning correct, I can start to melt the lace and glue it down. My next step is to clip the hair away and then clean the hairline with some alcohol. The alcohol is going to help the lace stick for the whole day when using something that is not overly strong like a glue. I don't like using glue. I don't like how it feels on my skin. I worry about my edges. Being someone that has experienced alopecia in my life, the idea of putting glue around my hairline really freaks me out, so I never ever use glue. I actually use Got2B spray, and this is a favorite among wig wearers. All it is, it's a super hardcore hairspray, and it works. If you're not going to be sleeping with your wigs and you just want the wig to be laid down and melted on the skin for like a day-to-day application, Got2B spray really is perfect for that. I like to start by spraying the center of my forehead first and then working on the sides later. Having more control is better for me, so I prefer working in smaller sections. I get really intimidated trying to lay the entire thing down in one go. I spray the hairspray, I blow dry it for a few seconds until it has a chance to tack up, and then I press the lace right into the spray.
Hold on, I gotta hit the beat. You know, never gonna miss the beat. Cheating all night long, but the feeling keeps kicking in. Beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping out the...
I like to have a really neat hairline, so oftentimes I'll also spray the top of the lace, blow dry it, and then press that down while also combing the hair back. If you don't like how this looks where the hair is coming back and over, just don't do this step. You can just spray your skin and press it down, and you won't get this kind of back look. I really like how that looks. I feel like it opens up my face quite a bit, and I like how it lays. But if you don't like that, just skip that step. You're still gonna get it glued down because you've glued down the skin. After I have that top front section done, I start working on the sides doing the exact same method. Now most girls typically wrap the lace with an elastic and then they wait a few minutes, 5, 10, 15 minutes for everything to dry down in place. I'm a bit hit or miss with this. Sometimes I do this step, sometimes I don't, but I wanted to show you, so I did do it today. Then after taking that elastic off, I straightened everything out. This wig is very Pulp Fiction and I am here for this life. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, guys. It's a vibe. It's a vibe I'm feeling today. I often also use a hot curling iron to press down any flyaways at the top, and then I finish it off with some cream and some hair oil. Let's talk about some troubleshooting tips. I've done this 5 bajillion times and have run into a lot of problems. Let's talk about them so that you don't make the same mistakes. Sometimes what can happen is the Got2B spray lands on your face where there is no lace and it creates a really shiny barrier. What I tend to do is remove that with a Q-tip and some alcohol, and then I go over that area gently with my foundation to blend everything in. You can also use a powder to remove that shine on the face. You just want to make sure that there's no like weird line here between the hairline and the face, because that will give away the fact that you're wearing a wig. And there you go. This is what it looks like. It really is undetectable. These are the best fitted wigs I own. I have 2 of them. They're my favorite wigs of my whole collection. And if you take a little extra time to lay the lace down, you really will be surprised as to how natural it can look even when you're up close. Let me know in the comments section, do you love this wig or what? If you are someone that is struggling with hair loss and you're anxious about wearing a wig, you should check out this video next. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.